KDK Software simplifies reconciling books with 2A 2B with a powerful reconciliation dashboard. To begin, click on the GSTIN to open detailed information. Next, click on Books versus 2A 2B Annual to access reconciliation data. Here, review the pending invoice data in the vendor-wise table. Click on any supplier to view detailed filing and transaction information. Analyze the conflict summary to identify mismatches between 2A and 2B. Next, review the supplier's ECO section to understand supplier-wise tax differences. For deeper insights, click on supplier-wise reco. Use the swap icon to switch between rate-wise and supplier-wise views. Click on In 2B Only to identify entries available only in 2B. Select a specific period to view month-wise reconciliation. Click on the tax value trend chart to analyze trends and drill down for detailed insights. Next, click on the rate-wise tax summary chart to analyze tax breakdowns. You can interact with the charts to explore further details. Click on the supplier name column to view amended invoice details. You can also set tolerance values for taxable value and tax value to refine mismatch identification.